If you want to remove objects from photos on OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can go to the Photos app. Now over here we're gonna open the photo that you wish to edit, and we're gonna use this pen button at the bottom of the screen. Now over here we're gonna go to the AI editor, and we need to download the AI eraser. So if you choose it for the first time, we need to agree to information processing, and then we can press OK. Now, in here we can use the smart lasso, and we can, for example, select the area that we want to get rid of. You can usually select the area by just drawing around the subject, and what you can also do is you can, for example, try to tap on the subject as well. Sometimes this works too. And as you can see, the subject is gone. Let's actually revert that, and let's say that we're gonna... Can we actually tap on it? No, we cannot really tap on it, so my bad. So yeah, you just have to select the area that you want to get rid of. Usually it is selected in a quite smart way. However, if there is something left after erasing, then of course you can still select that area and try to get rid of that as well. This time actually it got worse, of course. It's a slightly worse result than for the first time, so let's try to select this area whole over here. And it looks much better now. So if you are done, just tap on done in the bottom right corner and save your photo, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.